صباح الخير, صباح النور. If you don't know me, I'm Dhohab. If you do know me, I'm still Dhohab, and welcome to another weekly vlog. It is now 6:37. I woke up far more earlier than I need to, but we all love an early bird. I'm gonna get up, get ready, have coffee. Why am I clapping? And start my day. I may regret this because I don't have to go into work until 4:30, I think, today. I'm up until then I only have a couple of errands I gotta do. But you know what they say, the early bird gets the worm. That's me being a worm. Alrighty, I'm all dressed, looking adorable. Loving the vibe. صفقولي شكلي حلو. The look is fire. Let's do a slow-mo. Why am I doing Game of Thrones? Yeah, I look fresh. Alright, let's head out. Okay, so today plan is I go to the bank and do adult stuff. I'm not gonna vlog in the bank because Hi guys, today I'm at the bank and this lady اسمحتي ودي اسوي transfer international okay مشكورة. Anyway, and the bank teller is just like صار بجيلنا المهم, so that's not gonna happen. After that I'm gonna go to Safeco to get, my fix of arugula gurgur, and then بروح بيت رفيجتي ووراها بروح الدوام. دوامي اليوم الساعة 4 and I'll take you guys with me. I'm sure I could record there. I hate being formal. اختي ساعدتش بشيل. لا والله اخوي بس ودي اسوي ترانسفير حق السيفنجز. اوه لا اخوي عمي شلونك خالتي. I need a minute. I hate being formal. I hate it. I'm so embarrassing. I'm so awkward. I'm so cringe. سألني شنو مواليدك لأن ما أدري إذا مواليدك ولا سألني. المهم he asked me for my birthday for a verification. كان أقول له 12/16 1996. أفشل. But we're done. That feels good. Errand 1 check. Let's go get mad arugula. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. I decided to go fix that one nail that was broken at the boudoir. I'm vlogging. Do you want to say hi? Hi. Can I do you have any availability now for nails? This is like a club for your fingers. Hello. Can I vlog? Say hey guys. Can I go for a Spanish ice latte and a kitty puff? My absolute favorite, darling. I'm starting to post on YouTube. I'm trying to. I always get Spanish latte and then I get this delicious kitty puff. And I take the Spanish. Okay, I take a bite. And while it's still in my mouth, I take a sip. And that's the perfect bite. Hello. Hi, good morning. How are you guys? Shankum. Go pee-pee. Yalla Milo. Food. Sorry. I didn't mean to make fun of you. I won't do it again. Wait, so much is happening. I'm on the way to work, right on time. It's 4:33. Early worm gets the bird. That's not right. That's a wrap. We're good to go. I'm heading home. Great work day. Bye, Rudy.
Okay, Mom. Bye-bye.
More photos. Okay, so that, whoa, my hair. Oh my God. No judgments, no judgments. The weather, my side. But where I can't even talk. Look at the way I look. Okay, much better. That was a wrap, kind of a wrap. We're still meeting tomorrow to finish the rest of the menu. But we took great pictures. Well, Fahad took great pictures. Awesome photographer. Good, it's looking really great. We're rebranding them. Yeah. Rebranding the menu. Unfocus, please. Unfocus. Yum. Ha. طق الشارع ما عليك. Waste of time. It went smoothly, alhamdulillah. Yani give or take 7:50 it's now, right? Yeah. It's 7:50 and we're done. Like spent a good 2 hours. It was great. I'm hungry. I noticed I didn't eat all day, so I'm gonna go pick up my girgir. I didn't end up getting arugula and making a salad, but I got food from Cuckoo. Off. Huh? Yeah. Off.
Let's just start with what you were doing before the...
Off. Milo, off. Off.
How's your sandwich?
All right. And that is a wrap of today. It was a good day. You did good. And I would say today's lesson is that you don't always need to learn a lesson. Good night. I say goodnight like I don't have to come back and grab the camera.